coming. We have a beautiful day for our little library installation. We are just so proud of Brady and the hard work over the last 3 years he's been here at the middle school to get to this point where he can work on something like this and be able to present it to his family and his friends, his teachers. It has just been amazing. So Brady, we're super proud of you, and this is going to be awesome for our school. Go ahead, Brady.
Thank you all for coming to the big ceremony of the Little Free Library. I want to thank Steve Keezy for all his help.
He's right here.
We started small, and he worked on building with popsicle sticks and went onto a treasure chest, which I hear he keeps everything in. And then he had this big project. He had the opportunity to actually go shop for the supplies, do the research for the cost of the supplies, and learn what screws, nails, we all did, you use indoors versus outdoors, why we use certain wood, and he learned patience. That was huge thing with patience. So I couldn't be more proud of him. I know Miss Black couldn't be more proud of him, and we're excited to see what he'll be able to succeed in next.
Now let's cut the. Alright. Let's cut the ribbon.
Yay!